Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be going over a super dope NFT project called NFT Chatters, and this is a super dope NFT Chatters service which you NFT projects out there would probably want to use. Now this is the first ever and leading NFT Discord Chatters service, and this is for all of you guys or any of you project owners out there that are struggling to maintain a good, big, strong community, and this will definitely help you in actually, leading your actual project to success. But yeah guys, make sure to actually stick to the end of the video as I go over all types of information and what things you just need to know about this project. With that being said, make sure to actually subscribe to the channel and like the video since it is free and you can always change your mind. But yeah, let's hop into this project. Now this is called NFT Chatters and I'll be going over their Twitter page. It is the first ever and leading Discord chatter service, and yeah, the way it basically works is that they have various packages which you guys can actually buy down below, which I will be getting into. There are hourly packages and there are also certain services which you guys can also have a look at, such as the 7-day services and stuff. Now if you are new to chatter services, the way this basically works is that an NFT project will buy a chatter service, and these are natural customers who will be chatting in your actual Discord community. So let's just say, for example, that an NFT project is struggling with actually maintaining their community. You would go to a NFT chatter service, and this one I would definitely recommend. And then yeah, what you would basically do is buy a package down below, and it will come with 35 active chatters a day, such as this one, and a minimum of 1,500 messages a day. Now the best thing about this NFT project is that they are completely different from all of the other services out there. The conversations are organic and natural, and there is no copy and paste content. So yeah, this is already off the bat the go-to chatter service. The conversations between chatters are natural and fluent, and that is what we need in an actual Discord community. We don't want any spammy type of comments and stuff that are always repeating. We want actual fluent and normal conversations like, just everyday people do nowadays. That's what makes, this NFT chatter service different from all of the other chatter services. But yeah, if you are an NFT project out there and you are struggling to actually maintain a good community or just a solid community in general, this is definitely the go-to NFT chatters service. But yeah, I'll be putting the links in the description down below of their Twitter page and their website for you guys to actually have a look at. You can DM them for a free trial as it says on their pinned tweet. So yeah guys, if you just want to test it out, this is the best way to actually have a look at the project itself. You can just DM them for a free trial, and that is that. For a chatter service, they have one of the biggest teams out there, and of course yeah, they are always available 24/7 because of their huge chatter team all over the world. But yeah, that is also a big bonus. They are always there for you guys to actually, if you guys need help, they're always there 24/7. So any projects that are upcoming and new that are going to be released later on next year or just in recent times, and you are struggling with maintaining a good community, then you can use this NFT chatter service. And yeah, like I said, it is fluent, and it's just natural conversations. It's not like some botty conversations which a lot of NFT projects actually do have, where they do repeat a lot of comments. But yeah, if you do want an extra bit of conversation going on in the Discord to actually just kind of attract other new users out there, then yeah, you could definitely use this service. But yeah, like I said, you can have a look at their Twitter page, DM them for yourself to actually get a free trial. So that is pretty insane. But yeah, if we have a look at the website is pretty dope as well. And yeah, let's just have a little read through it. Imagine joining NFT Discord channel and seeing low engagement, small number of active members, and bad grammar. Now, would you want to be a part of that community? No. So this is a great way to actually reimburse your actual project and just improve it a lot. And yeah, by improving it, it's not just just having a community full of just NFT chatters from this actual service. It's actually going to be just attracting new users out there who are just having a look at the Discord, seeing that there is high engagement, there is a lot of people actually liking the project, a lot of people just talking, having conversations, and that will just be a good attraction to new investors out there. So yeah, if you do have a new project and you are starting up with an upcoming NFT project, then yeah, this is a great way to actually get started. But yeah, like it says here, That's the number one reason why most NFT projects fail, is because the community itself is not really good and there's no one speaking in Discord servers. But yeah, the community itself is really important, and if you do want to attract new members, like I said, have a look at this service. And yeah, you can just DM them and just have a look at some of the pre-mint plans, like this one for example, $1,000 for 35 active chatters a day. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Minimum of 1,500 messages a day, so that's literally insane. I'm not sure how long this would go on for, but I'm sure you'd have to. Okay, so it's a 10-day pre-mint hype plan. So yeah, it would go on for 10 days. So $1,000 for a 10-day pre-mint hype plan, where you would have 35 active chatters a day, minimum of 1,500 messages. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, you can get a free trial as well if you just want to test it out. But yeah, here are also some other starter plans which you guys can get into. $74 for 7 days, 5 chatters though, 100 messages a day, which is okay. Then we have the elite and the premium, which you guys can also have a look at. I'm not sure why the premium is. Okay, so the premium is 8 chatters, which is why it's a little bit cheaper than the elite. So the elite is the biggest package which you can get for the actual services. But yeah, these are some cool sort of stuff. Here are some hourly packages as well, which you guys can get into. There is a lot of variety in this project, guys, which is literally insane. If your budget just doesn't suit this 10-day premium plan, you can just go down here and have a look at some other packages. So yeah, that's definitely what I like about this chatter service. A lot of variety for all all projects out there, depending on your budget. So yeah, literally insane, guys. You can also contact them over here by putting your email, your name, and just type in your message and they will get back to you. Like I said, they are a 24-hour service, so that is literally insane. But yeah, this is NFT Chatters, guys. They have 100+ happy customers already, and guys, I will also be linking their white paper down below, which you guys can have a look at for yourself. But yeah, any NFT projects out there that are struggling to kind of just maintain a strong community, or just a community that is hyped to start off with, when you are actually creating a new NFT project, then this is definitely the service that you'd want to go for. But yeah, links will be in the description down below. It's been Crypto Nation, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.